All right, so we are gonna do a little small video for reaching 2,000 subscribers on my personal channel. We just kind of woke up recently, so we're still a little tired, but I'm walking to the station right now, and I thought it might just be a good idea to efficiently record myself. So I am still getting used to recording in public, I suppose. There's no one around right now, which is good, and why I'm able to do it a bit more comfortably. But I'm still practicing. But anyways, okay, so we reached 2,000 subscribers on my personal YouTube channel. That's something I wasn't really expecting, to be honest, anytime recently, because for me, my personal channel is about whatever I want. It's a channel where I basically just talk about whatever I want and do whatever I want. And most of the content isn't really like structured super well. Like it's just me just talking to the camera like this and me just spilling out my thoughts. And because of that, I expect most people are unable to watch it, or it's not very digestible, I suppose. And I really hope I'm actually recording right now. Let me just check. Okay, yeah. So right now I'm using my iPhone to record this, so it's kind of difficult to tell if I'm recording sometimes. But that's something I'm still happy about it. I'm so happy that I got 2,000 subscribers for this personal channel. I know in my videos, sometimes occasionally I glance at like how many views, unintentionally actually. It's usually whenever I have to like change the title, not title, but change like something, like for instance, if I uploaded a video and I wanted to like finish scheduling it on my phone, like the way it's viewed on my phone, I sometimes glance at the view count, but I personally intentionally try to avoid looking at the view count. And that's because I feel like back then, what I did was when I realized that one of my videos blew up, I tried to make more content that was similar to that video, but I don't really think that's what I want to do from here on. I'm just face the camera the other way because my hand is getting tired. I need to switch hands. But yeah, I think I really want to just make more videos that I personally care about, that I personally want to make videos about, and always just keep it authentic for this channel. Like specifically for this channel, I just want to like continue to create content that is more like documenting my journey for doing things that I really care about and want to do. So that's why I feel like this channel doesn't have as much growth potential. It's just a lot of content that's essentially me just doing stuff in front of a camera with very little editing and very low effort, I suppose. Low effort content, but also it's not really meant to be high effort. It's meant to be just me documenting my journey. And I always want to, like this video, I suppose, what I'm doing right now, it's sort of a commitment to myself, like a promise to myself that this channel will always be that, will always be not low effort content necessarily, but always be like an authentic view of my thoughts, myself, almost like my journal. Like this is me video journaling right now, essentially. In a way, it's like the next stage. I've done audio journals, I've done written journaling for a very, very long time. And now I'm starting to do more like talking to the camera and like showing what I'm actually doing in front of the camera. So that's the promise, is just to always keep it real, keep it like authentic, and not like try to chase after some trend or chase after like some statistic that I see on my videos. And I think that's like something only possible if I don't look at the views of my videos, to be honest. Because if I see like, okay, for instance, this one video did really well, maybe I will subconsciously start thinking like, I should make more videos like that one because it did really well. But that's not what this channel is for. And I just want to like reiterate that to myself to solidify it, you know, and just, yeah, basically clarify what this channel is. I mean, I feel like most people who are watching can already tell that that's what it is. There's no rhyme or rhythm other than me doing stuff. That is the rhyme and rhythm. But yeah, I feel like this, me talking to the camera and just like filming my journey and documenting it is fun, and I really enjoy it, and I feel like it's therapeutic in a way, honestly. Like, even though doing YouTube has a lot of like mental challenges, like always, sometimes I think about, oh, what will people think about my video, or like what will the comments be, or whatever, something like that, and I'm just like, I just need to stop. I just need to do my thing and not worry about it. And it's been challenging to do that, but I feel like I'm getting better at it with time, and just like always like stating my intentions for why I'm doing this is helping me stay grounded. And that's what this video is for. It's also to kickstart me making more vlog videos in Japan, because, you know, I'm in such a nice place. I want to make more videos. It's just a little hard sometimes because, like I said, I don't like filming myself in public that much, because most of the time it's not me I'm worried about, it's like other people. I really don't want to make other people feel uncomfortable. That's why I try to avoid like filming people if possible. But yeah, we'll see how this goes. Anyways, that's pretty much it. I'm almost at the station. Catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for 2,000 subscribers.